YouTube. It's back. I just got wet from water thing, or like a water bottle. They sprayed in my hair. Brandon and Sally, I don't know what to do. So what's up, YouTube? And if I show you, I want you to join our clan. I'm sorry if you watch this video, it's not lit dream no more. I'm sorry. It's called Adrian and Bran, and if you search it up, it has like a bird at school. Please search it up. And Jennifer, if you want to search it, Brandon's looking. And Stacy, you want to look? It's me. So I don't know what's Ali, but on the line there's like a crazy man trying to kill us. We started running. Well, we didn't run with the wheels looking. We couldn't find him in the cops came. It was all bad. So I don't know what kind of video Brandon wants or me. We're thinking about it. So Brandon, what video you want to do?
I don't know. It's kind of hard to choose.
We can't do basketball because
that car's there.
So like the video, please go over 2 likes.
Leave a comment if you want us to lower it down.
Yeah, because Miguel and Jaden are like my friends, and David or Angel, Jason on the show. It's really cool. That's why I'm shaking. That's why. So to begin with, please like the video. I don't know what we're gonna do. I guess I think I know what to do. You want to know what we're gonna do? We're gonna play Ding Dong Ditch. So it's scary, okay?
Let's go.
We're almost gonna get caught. I'm gonna hold the camera right now.
Let's go.
Is it paused?
No. We have to ding dong ditch.
Okay, so we're gonna go to that house first. Me and Brandon are gonna go up. No, they're gonna think it's too obvious. So we're gonna go to that house. What's up, dude? I'm so cold right now. Oh my god. There's a cute little dog over there. See him? I don't know if you see him, but there's a cute little dog. So, okay. Miguel, I know you have Clash Royale, so please join our client, Adrian and Bran. We lowered it down to 1,000. No, not 1,000. I'll lower it down to 600. So if you have a chance right now, go and do it. So, ding dong ditch. We're running. We're running. We ran. Oh yeah, there's Allie. What are you videotaping? I'm playing Ding Dong Ditch.
Hey, you have it on pause.
So, we're going across the street. Brandon, come up, Brandon, come up. This is our friend. So, wait, where's that car go? Walking out there. You know I'm tired right now. I just came. Brandon's hiding right there. No, we knocked. But they came out. Look easy. I know you. Look, they came out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Brandon. That was sick. Show it to me. That was sick, man. Oh my god.
See the.
I'm going to break that.
That's Allie right there. Ellie.
Dude, he actually opened the door. You guys should do
I know.
it again. Yeah, should we?
This side run fast.
Hey,
Just hide behind
we leave a like, we get 5 likes, I mean. No, 2 over 2, I mean. We'll make a ding dong ditch. 2.
Well, if we get caught,
No, just let one person go, Adrian, and because he runs fast. So you're gonna have to run.
I run fast, but yeah, I don't want.
Okay,
No, he doesn't. I run faster than him.
we're gonna videotape it from here. Go, Adrian.
Ali, I run.
Hey, Adrian, run on the side from Nico's car.
I'm videotaping. Ali, I run way faster than him.
Almost.
No, I do run faster than him. It's not a maybe, it's...
When he jumped in the bushes.
It's scary. They came out. I don't know if I want to get up. Oh my god. What happened?
They came out. Dude, they came out. Alex.
Dude. Dude, I was right here on the floor. Dude, I was like right there.
Should I do it again?
Yeah. Well, you guys owe us if we get caught, alright?
Adrian,
You guys owe
go
us.
to someone else's house too. Like Jose's.
Nah, let's do it that one again. It's in it.
I think it's ready.
Oh, ginger.
I just got caught. Did he hear them? Oh my god. I am dying. I am dying.
Dude, how did he cut you?
So, we're gonna go do it. Hey, Ali. They caught me. Dude, you should have done this one.
Dude, why did you run
I know
this
you
way?
ran straight.
Hey, dude, I hope serious.
Oh yeah, what's this? We're gonna do it to the pink house. Okay? I'll go. We know each other $1. Yeah, you told me.
Yeah. You guys gotta give us
Dude, that was when
money.
Alex looked at him like, what's
Or him money. You don't have to give me money, but you have to give him money.
Adrian, just run back.
Come on.
Don't let them see you.
They will.
Oh. Get low. No, David.
Dude, they
Show
do.
her on the pink house. No one more. Let me see the thing. Damn, there's 2 badass trucks. Look at that. Damn.
Step.
Dang.
And they're your favorite.
Same.
And they're your favorite color.
Adrian, you didn't knock loud enough.
Huh?
You didn't knock loud enough.
Dude, I am really tired.
Where's the Jocelyn's? We're running the back of Junior's truck.
Oh yeah, dude, the freaking
Right
Jocelyn.
across the street all the way fast.
Do it, dude.
That was sick.
I wanna do it for Stacy, bro.
Wait, Alex saw you. What did he say? He's like, stop. My butt hurts.
Shut up.
I'm sitting on this. We're gonna ding dong ditch Brandon's house, okay? Look,
Ali broke it. Ali broke the cone. Ali broke the cone. She destroyed it.
you broke the cone. Stop, you're breaking the cone.
Yo, Joe, try to fix it. Oh!
You farted.
Hey, go do it at Jocelyn's. Do it for Stacy, bro. Yay! Hey, go do it for Stacy, bro. Go do it at Jocelyn.
That's so sick. He's like, we gotta, but hide good. He's gonna be your man's not running across the street right now. Did you see a car hit him?
Ali, remember? Run, Adrian! Alright. Better see his stinking.
Where's the car be? What did you do? They came out. Oh my god. They saw you? Look, they came out. They saw you? Look, go down. They saw you? Ah, you got caught 2 times. So you no, because you want to know something? Like when you go open the door, they already knew I was going to come. They should have opened the door right, and you came out. Ah, they probably saw us when we went to go to the third house. Okay, what's it? Luis's. Nah, Luis's door's open.
Larry's!
Nah, Larry has a party.
Andy's, dude!
Oh yeah.
Andy's!
Dude.
You just jump over. Freaking night at your place.
Andy's not home too. You see it?
You know the grandma's there though?
Yeah.
The grandma and grandpa?
Go to your house. Your mom wanted to it was you. I think that's gonna be the end of the video. Should we, Brendan? Or should we do Andy's first?
Andy's.
Hey, if you're watching this and you know Andy and you're Andy's friend, please don't tell him. Tell him about Ali. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. If you like Stephen Curry, leave a thumbs up.
If you like Michael Jordan, give
Or
me a
any-
thumbs up. Or any
any
basketball player team.
Kyrie, Isaiah Thomas, LeBron James. Cheers.
Curry. No.
Cheers. Michael. Elizabeth.
Kobe Bryant.
Maybe a little bit. Okay, go ahead. Let me just land one for her, Stacy. Let me just learn. This is how you do it. We're gonna grab a little Juanito, but Alex finally caught him.
Yeah.
Alex like, the next knock I hear, I'm gonna be at the door. He's down.
Let's go in for this one.
He's like run fast, cause them niggas open the door quick.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, but we gotta hide too.
Did he just ring the doorbell?
No. That's the door.
Dude, you just ring the doorbell.
No, I didn't actually knock. Let's see if they open the door though.